Okay, let's try something different.
So, the logic behind this total dates calculation program is that first we have to create a static int method named month. You can put any variable name instead of this, which takes two arguments, string m and string y. Then let's declare some basic variables that will be needed for the calculation. So total days, which will be calculated in this method, will be initialized as 0, and then the which is for the month. The input string m will be converted to integer through this line. The integer parser int method converts the string to integer. Same for the y. Means the month and y for the years. Y is required to calculate the leap year or not. This is reduced to 1. For example, let me say that date 5 of month 6, then we have to calculate the total days of total 5 months completed, and the 6th month's 5 days, which will be calculated further. So let's reduce 1 month, and then while loop until the gets to 0, the month gets to 0. What does this line means? This line means any month like Jan, March, May, July, August, October and December will get 31 days in total. And if the month becomes 2, that is February, then we will check for the leap year or not. If leap year, then we will add 29 days or we will add 28 days, and then the other months will get 30 days. This line is very important as we are reducing the month. Just checked 31 days completed and then reducing a month, the next loop, next iteration. Finally, the addition of total days will be returned from here. This is the main method, public static void main. Throws IO exception is for taking the input. If any error will come, then it will throw any exception error. This line initializes the buffer reader, which will read our commands, the input, printing for the user to give the input and storing the input in the string format. And now, as we have seen that input requires date, month, year, and we have to store it in different variables. So splitting of string is done through this method, str.split. str is this variable. Splitting of string is done by /, and the limit, if limit is negative, it's unlimited, which means that unlimited number of divisions can be made through it, and it's storing in the array, string array. And then op is just the name of the variable, int op output, which will call the method month. This is the method which we have declared here. So it will call the month method, and it will give its arguments as arr1 and arr2, which is basically this, the array variable 1 and 2. Array index starts from 0, so 0, 1, 2. This is the positions, and we have to give month and year, so we have to give the 1 and 2 variable names. And then output days, the final number of days which will be stored in this variable. OP is the return value, that total days calculated just a month before, and adding array variable index, the date. For example, the date 5 of month 6, then we have calculated the total days of 5 months, and the 6th month will be 5 days more. So converting it into the index 0 will be converted into the integer and added with the OP, and then finally printing the output. Hope you understand this program, and please subscribe my channel, like this video, and do let me in the comment section if any suggestions are there. Thank you.